Let's talk about LED devices that you can use for both the face and the body. So just to give you a little bit of a background, I have Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, and so that is a disease that affects the collagen and affects the joints. I have the hypermobile type, which makes me have joint flexibility, and then it also can affect the skin in various ways. And there's really not a lot of dermatological advice on what to do with people that have Ehlers-Danlos. So as we all know, and probably one of the reasons that you're even looking at this video because of LED devices is that in terms of skin aging, we lose collagen as the years go on. And so with Ehlers-Danlos, there's not a lot that's known about what happens to the collagen because it's just an abnormal production of collagen. So about 5 years ago, I was diagnosed, I think like probably 15 years ago, but about 5 years ago, I decided that since there's not a lot known, as I'm getting towards 50, I'm going to turn 50 this year, I want to know more about what I can do to preserve my collagen. So I'm kind of experimenting on myself. If you've tuned into this video and Ehlers-Danlos is rare, so you likely don't have it, this will be beneficial for anyone that just wants to anti-age. And I don't really like that word. I like to think of it more as like skin preservation. So that's just a little disclaimer. And welcome to my video. The reason why I chose my Celluma device. So let's get into just a little bit of history about LEDs. So not LEDs in general, you can watch other videos for that, but LEDs, why did I choose an LED? So I had been using my NuFace and I decided one day that I have the NuFace Pro. I'm gonna try the LED attachment for the NuFace Pro. Why not? So I tried it and I really enjoyed it. I noticed immediate skin glow, skin brightening, increased firmness, tone, and decreased breakouts, decreased redness as well. It was a little time consuming because what you do is you put this on the NuFace device and then 3 minutes you have to do each part of your face. So I'm like, you know what? I want to look into something that's a little bit more comprehensive of my face, takes a little bit less time. And I wanted something that was from a company that was medically known. So I chose the LightStim device. And so this is a handheld device. LightStim is used in a lot of med spas and medical offices for LED and red light therapy. And so what this is just like the same kind of thing. It's just, but it's bigger, so it takes a little bit less time. And what I would do is every day, like after work, when I was just relaxing, I would watch YouTube videos and I would use this device all over my face. Same benefits, no negatives. So I'm like, you know what? I want to pursue something that hopefully I can use for the rest of my body. So that's why I looked into Celluma. First, I was looking into LED beds, but I'm like, okay, that's a little bit too expensive for me right now. Let me look into something that's still medically based and research based. And so I chose the Celluma for a few reasons. If you're not familiar, Celluma, I'm sure you've seen on other videos. Again, if you're searching for LED red light therapy, Celluma is one that's, talked about, not too much, but I think a lot of people are starting to realize how great it is. So this is the Celluma. And the reason why I chose it at the very beginning was because I could use it all over my body. It's big. I mean, you can see it's very big. And so my initial goal was if I had time, I would use it all over my body. I don't really do that. Right now I do telemedicine, so I work from home. So I need to transition from home to evening time. So when I use my Celluma, it's actually 30 minutes versus some other devices like the face devices are 10 minutes or the handheld, which are like way longer. But it's 30 minutes and you pretty much have to be lying down. So what I do is I just put it on my face when I'm lying down and it's very relaxing. I can even fall asleep in it with it. So that's what I do as my little relaxation time. So that was one of the main reasons I chose it, was because I can use it all over my body. Another reason I chose it was because with Ehlers-Danlos and just with getting towards 50, you do tend to have more pain. And so there are 3 modes on this. So what you do is you turn it on and then you have the 3 modes. I don't know if you can see those, but there's an acne mode, there's the anti-aging mode, and then there's the aches and pains mode. So I chose this because, it's such great bang for the buck. I could use it for pain. I have a lot of foot pain. It helped with the foot pain. I just place it on my feet. It's really great for that as well. And then another thing that the company says you can notice, it says pulse right down there. Celluma says that their device is better for collagen stimulation because of the pulse feature of it. So whenever you're using the anti-aging part or the wrinkles mode, you said it's automatically set that it goes to pulse. You can turn that off if you want to, but basically what that is like the light kind of goes in and out and it's just pulsed. And so I've asked them before and they say that that's what makes theirs better than other red light LED devices. Another reason, so flexibility, that was, a main reason that I liked it, the 3-in-1, and the fact that you can get it as close to your skin as you want to. So that's a benefit too. I mean, the closer to the face, the closer to the skin that this is for both, or for all features, the light, the wrinkles, the acne, and the pain, the closer that you get it to your body, the better. So that's another reason I chose it. I hope this was helpful. And again, if you like this video, please like or share with a friend and subscribe if you're interested in more content like this. Sorry, I don't know why I had a problem saying the word content. And if anyone knows of good editing software, please send me a little message down below because I'm not really good at the editing part. So I kind of just like talk, which I enjoy. I enjoy just like talking about things, but sometimes I want to edit out little mistakes that I made. And so currently I'm still looking for something that's easy to edit for new YouTube users and new YouTube creators. Thank you all so much and see you in my next video. See, again, I couldn't turn it off. So like, that's a perfect example. I pressed the little thingy, but it didn't go off.